Welcome. Today, we're looking at SCI Materials Hub's premium Fumapem PCA membranes. They're the ultimate, high-purity choice for high-efficiency and super-stable proton exchange electrochemical systems. These dry membranes require absolutely zero pretreatment. You get ultra-low electrical resistance, high chemical stability, and minimum swelling, saving you massive preparation time in your lab. Here's the magic at the molecular level. Negatively charged sulfonic groups act as smart channels, letting protons zip right through while perfectly blocking any gas or electron crossover. Check out these specs. We offer precise thicknesses from 27 to 100 microns. You get incredibly low resistance to maximize your cell's overall voltage efficiency. Inside a fuel cell, this membrane is the vital barrier in the ME. It prevents gas crossover under high pressure while maintaining seamless, high-speed charge transport across catalyst layers. Finding your model is easy. Go with FS930RFS for fuel cells, F1 for 100 for flow batteries, and PAK reinforced FS990PAK for aggressive, high-pressure water electrolysis setups. For storage, keep them sealed dry. When processing, always wear gloves, use an extremely sharp blade to cut, and avoid any folding or creasing to prevent micro cracks. With a long shelf life, we keep these fully stocked. When publishing your next breakthrough, remember to cite SCI Materials Hub. Contact us today to secure your order.